now my boy said he finna come down here, and I asked him, do you want to put on the intake? For my boys and girls out there, y'all been telling me to get an intake and a J pipe. Now I got one. I'm finna put the intake on. The J pipe, I'm still kind of skeptical because it's the old gen Cobb one. So I'm going to get that check engine light. So I'm trying to figure out a way to go around it. I'm trying to figure out if I need to buy a new one or what I got to do so that I will not have that check engine light. See what I'm saying? But for now, I'm just going to throw in the intake. I have an MA Performance intake. I've been had that for a minute, like super long time. And now I got a little time to throw it on, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I ain't gonna lie, summertime is approaching, and if you don't got no off spray, I'm already in the country and stuff. So if you don't got no off spray, I definitely recommend to go ahead and get some, because mosquitoes out here is gonna be crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I've been out one day with my dad. It was crazy. I swear it was crazy. Like my whole shoulders were bruised. It looked like they were bruised. I swear it looked like I was bruised. But I just got bit by a bunch of mosquitoes in the same spot. I kid you not, in the same spot. It was crazy. But that's enough ranting for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the unboxing, then lift up the car, whatever I gotta do to get it going, and then we'll see how it sounds, man. I'm super excited. If you didn't know, I'm super excited. But hey, I'm ready. Alright, so if you didn't know, I had the Cobb Stage 1. No, it's the MA Performance Stage 1 kit. I had it for over, I want to say since I got the car. I bought it like a month after I bought the car. So at least over a year. But what all comes in it is you get a filter, inlets, access port. This is the filter. So I got the green filter. This was a discontinued one, but like I say, I'm a big fan, and I got it at a good price too as well. I don't know what that is. Like I say, coupler. I think that's what it is. That's what it's called, a coupler. Another one as well. Screws and stuff. Nah, I have no idea what that one goes to. But an extensioner for your mass airflow sensor. Let me see. I think that's it. That's all in here. I don't know what this is in here. Alright, so this is your clamps in that one. And that, as well as heat shield from MA Performance as well. I don't know how big that is, and I don't know, like it's one piece. So good luck with that. Instruction manual, and everything you'll need to put it on. What's in the box. So what comes in it is the MA Performance, just everything that's on the access port at the moment. So I'm going to be using the 2017 WRX MA Performance Stage 1 Plus intake. So that's what I'm gonna be using for 93 octane. Y'all, I gonna lie, pray for me. I don't know what I'm doing at all. I got my boy Dave coming down to help me, so he might know a little more than I do. Anyways, let's get it. Like, do you gotta pop them up or something first? Or what?
I don't know. I can get this. I got. Damn. Oh, I thought you lost it, bro. I was about to say.
So, you got the what?
I think it's because it's finished.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Crazy, man. Bro. Oh,
Nigga. Bruh.
Let's get
Alright,
it, bro.
you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're just gonna do this shit. Install the access port to your vehicle. You like, if you got to sell that shit, bro, make sure you uninstall it because niggas gonna be mad as fuck when they realize
You got the what?
you gotta uninstall it. It's gonna be that thing to like straight up uninstall this, so it like comes off your VIN number and everything.
Alright.
But it registers straight to your VIN number, and then they can like
Go to another car?
Yeah.
Okay. Just confirm. Yes.
2016.
I'm low key scared, bro.
Just get it for.
What does this shit fuck up?
See you break.
Hey, don't you supposed to put a battery charger to this?
You don't have to. I mean,
Oh, I would say, because I just bought a brand new battery.
So, and with a rail, you don't got the main performance shit on here. Oh, you don't.
What?
The main performance one is not on here, cousin.
Bro, you're lying.
Maybe we just looked at it. See, look.
No way.
You bought this from MMA?
Yes.
You probably have to download it off there.
Is it this one right here? No.
So, you just gonna have to flash to 93. You got a laptop?
The mama.
You still find to wait 15 seconds. I got the timer for that shit.
You gotta be exactly 15 seconds?
Yes, bro. Make sure. Always, even if it don't have to be exactly 15 seconds and nothing go happen, I'm always gonna make sure to do what that should say. At least 15 seconds. So as soon as this timer go off, we straight. I'm gonna turn it on. Alright, bro.
Alright, bro.
Damn, nigga. Hey, I'm up. Alright.
Oh shit. Alright, so not gonna lie, when we started to install the tune to the car, kind of ran into some problems. So when I ended up buying this, I ended up putting in the wrong car year model or something like that. The wrong year model, and we just ended up buying a OTS tune from aimbot. So the car been running fine. I haven't been running into any problems on the AP. Everything's still been looking okay. Like the feedback knock and learn knock, I'm still at 0 on both those. But I'm gonna get a little sound clips for y'all. If you can, I don't know how good y'all can hear it on the camera, but bro, it sounds amazing, I swear.
Yeah. Just.
Bro just pulled up on us. M3. That's insane. What's your name?
Jackie.
Jackie? I'm YB. Nice to meet you. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. With the bucket seats, man. That is motivation, bro. You should see his. Shit. Focus in, baby. Intake. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm liking it. I'm low key liking it. I don't know why the lights are so bright. The motivation, though, bro. So I put up on the M3. Your own boy Dave. His WRX. M3, that's crazy. Soon, one day, I'll be able to get me one. I want M3. Our channel, man. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more channels like this, make sure you leave something down in the comment section below, because it really does motivate me to continue to make these type videos. But like I always say, bro, intake and exhaust videos are always fun to record, and I'm glad I did do this one today. But I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you're new to the channel, man, just say what up to me. Because like I say, bro, these do motivate me to keep going and keep making these videos. They are always fun to do, but I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.